Before starting our today's lecture, there are some instructions for you which you have to follow. That your attendance is mandatory. You have to be active and focused. Keep your relevant books and stationery with you. Divide your notebook into two sections, one for classwork, one for homework. In the classwork section, you have to solve the questions that will be explained in slides, and in homework section, you have to solve your assignments or home tasks. Your work will be very neat and clear. We have started our chapter number 11, which is triangle, quadrilaterals, and polygons. Yes, Hafsa?
मैम हमें ये दो हिस्से में करना जरूरी है?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, chapter number 11, triangle, quadrilaterals, and polygons. In exercise 11A, we have studied thoroughly about the triangles, but in 11B, we are studying quadrilaterals, different types of quadrilaterals. So far, we have completed question number 10, 1 to 10 of exercise 11B. Today, we are going to start the question number 11 of exercise 11B. Right? On your books, I think it's page number 275. The figure shows a kite A, B, C, D. A figure shows a kite A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, and D. Where AB is equals to AD. If you can see two lines, which means that AB is equal to AD and BC is equal to DC. And the diagonal AC and BD intersects at E. If this diagonal is intersecting A to C, this diagonal is intersecting D to B, and they are meeting at a point E. He is saying find the value of A, B, and D. A, B, and D. This whole triangle, from this whole triangle, you have to find this side which is unknown. ABD, you have to find this side which is unknown. If I am saying that if this side is 25, you know that in the kite, if the diagonals are intersecting the interior angles, then both the interior angles are same. If this is 25, this will also be 25, then angle A is equals to 25 plus 25. Is this clear? Then you don't even know this value D, you don't even know this value B, so I am assuming it as X degree, right? I am assuming it as X degree, and if this is X degree and this is an isosceles triangle where two sides are equal, it means that the base angle will be same, then this B will also be X degree. So X degree plus X degree plus 25 plus 25 is equals to 180 degree, right? Sum of angle of triangle is equals to 180 degree. By solving this, you will get the value of X, which is 65 degree. And whatever the value of X, this is 65, this will also be 65. We have assumed that angle B and angle D are same, both are X degree. So ABD is equals to 65 degree. Is there any confusion? Then please raise your hand. Okay, fine. Now, the second part is you have to find C, B, and D. Now you have already find the one part. You have to find the other part, which is this one. You don't even know this part as well. So I am assuming it as Y degree. So this will also be Y degree, and the C angle will become, this C angle will become 44 plus 44 degrees. So by the help of sum of angle of triangle, it will become 44 plus 44 plus Y degree plus Y degree is equals to 180 degree. With the help of this equation, you can find the value of Y, and the value of Y will become 46, which means that CBD is equals to 46 degree. If there any confusion with about the question number 11, then you can raise your hand. Okay, let's start with the question number 12. Question number 12. In a rectangle ABCD, E is the midpoint of AB and CED is equals to 118 degree. Find ADE, DCE. If this is a rectangle, yes, Abza?
Ma'am, I was doing question number 11.
Yes. You are doing question
Ma'am,
number
can you-
11?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just wait a while. Done. Okay. So ABCD is a rectangle. If ABCD is a rectangle, he's saying E is the midpoint of AB. If E is the midpoint of AB, then it means that you know that in rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Then it means that whatever the length of this DE, the length of this DC will be same, right? If E is the midpoint, then the length of DE, the diagonal DE and CD will be same. And if length is same, then this angle will also be same, right? If I am assuming that this angle is X degree, then this angle will also become X degree. So with the help of sum of angle of triangle, X degree plus 118 degree is equals to 180 degree, right? By solving this, you will know the value of X, which is 31 degree. And we have assumed that this part is X and this part is X, which means that ADE. Now you have to find ADE. You have already find DCE, which is C was X degree and X degree is 31 degree. We have solved the second part first. Now the first part is AD and E. You know that in rectangle, the angles are equal to 90 degree. Is this clear? All the angles are equal to 90 degree. And if one part is 31 degree, what will be the other part? 90 minus 31, the other part will be 59 degrees. So it means that this part is 59 and this part is 31 degree. Is this clear to everyone? That how we are if we solve this question number 12. If you have any question, then please raise your hands. If you have any question, then please raise your hand. Okay, let's start question number 13. Yes, Ishal.
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 दोबारा समझा दें. जब आप समझाने लगे तो आपकी आवाज आना बंद हो गई थी.
Okay, बच्चे ABCD is a rectangle, right? If ABCD is a rectangle and he is saying E is the midpoint. If E is the midpoint of AB, it means that whatever the side diagonal DE, the length of the diagonal EC will also be same. Both the lengths will be same. If both the length will be same, the angles will also be same, right? If diagonal length is same, the angles will also be same. So we don't even know angle D and angle C. So I am assuming it as X degree and this will also be X degree. If both the lengths are same, then the angles will be same, X degree and X degree. So with the help of this, X degree plus 118 degree, sum of angle of triangle, X will become 31 degree. Is this clear, Ishal? Right? Now if this is,
Yes, ma'am.
now if this C is X degree, this D is X degree, you have find DCE, this DC angle, it means that you have to find C angle. C angle was X degree, which means that C angle is 31 degree, right? Now come towards this point, you have to find ADE where the angle is on D. This half part of D is 31 degree. You know that in rectangle, all the angles are equal to 90 degree. It means that if this angle is total D angle is 90 degree, half part is 31 degree, then it means that 90 minus 31, the other part will be 59 degrees. So ADE will become 59 degree. Is this clear? Is this clear, Ishal? Okay, fine. Now come towards the question number 13. In question number 13, in a parallelogram PQRS, in a parallelogram PQR and S, QPR is equals to 42 degree. This whole R is equals to 70 degree, but this half P is equals to 42 degree. Now he's saying find PQR. You have to find this way. You have to find this angle, you know, with the help of transversal, or you know that the sum of interior angles is equals to 180 degree. If this is 70 degree, you have to find this angle, angle Q. My mouse is not working properly. Angle Q, you have to find angle Q that is equals to 180 degree. Sum of interior angle is equals to 180 degree. If PQ is parallel to RS, why PQ is parallel to RS? Because in parallelogram, these two sides are parallel and these two sides are parallel. Is this clear? This is the property of the parallelogram, that opposite sides are parallel. This and this side is parallel, this and this side is parallel. And you know that in parallelogram, if the two sides are parallel and then transversal is cutting, then the interior angle is equals to sum of interior angle is equals to 180 degree. 70 degree plus this angle is equals to 180 degree, then Q angle will become 110 degree. If this is 110 degree, yes, Zaina?
मैम ये किस तरह आपने फाइंड किया मैम? अगर 42 डिग्री है तो हम आर और पी को ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन कंसीडर करें तो 42 प्लस एस आर क्यों नहीं लेंगे हम इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री?
Why?
मैम इंटीरियर एंगल है ना.
Interior angle, what will be the interior angle in transversal? The same one?
यस मैम.
70 plus angle, no, 70 plus angle Q is equals to 180 degree. Why you are taking 70 and 42?
मैम क्योंकि ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन पे है ना वो दोनों.
See this. This is a parallel line. This is a parallel line. This is the transverse. If this is the transversal, angle R and angle Q,
यस मैम.
then angle R plus angle Q is equals to 180 degree. 70 plus
Yes, ma'am.
angle Q is equals to 180 degree. You will be able to find angle Q. Okay, this is not a transversal line. You are taking this transversal line. This is not a transversal line. This is the transversal line. Now you have find PQR. Now you have to find PR and Q. You have to find this angle, P half angle of this R. So if this is 42 degree, this is 110 degree, then you can easily find this this angle. If we are taking PQR triangle, if we are taking this triangle, Q angle is 180 degree, 110 degree, 42 degrees P angle, and you have to find R degree. So 42 plus 110 plus angle R is equals to 180 degree. With the help of sum of triangle PQR, you will be able to find the value of PQR, which is 42 degree. Sorry, 28 degree. Is this clear to everyone? Okay, let's start with the question number 14. Question number 14. In a rhombus W, X, Y, and Z, W, X, Y is equals to 108. W, X, Y, Z is a rhombus and W, X, Y is equals to 108. Find X, Z, and Y. First of all, you know that in rhombus, opposite angles of a parallelogram, opposite angles of a rhombus are equal. If opposite angles are equal, it means whatever the angle here, the angle will also be the same at angle Z. If this is 108, angle Z will also be 108, right? And if diagonal is bisecting the interior angles of a rhombus, then it means that whatever the angle is here, the angle will be same at this side. But it is the whole angle is 108 degree. Then what you have to do, if the whole angle is 108 degree and it is bisecting this diagonal is bisecting this angle into two parts, it means that you have to divide this by the 2. So 108 divided by 2, that is equals to 54 degree. This is very simple. 108 degree divided by 2 is equals to 54 degree. You will be able to find angle Z. This is the simple way of finding the angle Z. Or you can see that if diagonals are bisecting, then this will also be Z degree. This is X degree. This will also be X degree. Then Z degree is equals to X degree, right? If Z is equals to angle Z is equals to angle X, you don't, yes, Ishal. Yes, Ishal. Yes.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask that are these x and x equal, as they don't seem to be?
The whole angle X is equals to 108 degree. In rhombus, we have a property that if interior angles are bisecting the interior angles, the diagonal is bisecting the interior angle of rhombus, then both the angles will be same. If this is X degree, and you know that the property of rhombus that the opposite angles are equal, right? But you have to find X, Z and Y. See, X, Z and Y, you have to find the half part of Z. So you are taking it as
Yes,
X
ma'am.
degree. If Z is equals to X degree, then this part will also be X degree. So the whole angle Z is equals to X plus 108, is equals to 108, because angle Z is equals to angle X. So 2
And
X
ma'am,
degree. Yes.
complete angle x is complete
108.
108 degree,
Yes, complete.
or
If this,
one part of it is 108.
it's whole 108. See this, if it's whole 108 and you have to find the half Z, that's why we are taking it as 108 divided by 2,
Okay, ma'am.
right? So in the next part you have to find X, Y, Z, X, Y and Z. Now you have to find this angle. If this is the parallel line, this is the parallel line. Yes, Zainab. Yes, Zainab.
मैम हम इससे ट्रायंगल के फॉर्मूले से सॉल्व करेंगे ना?
Which one?
मैम ये जो हमने एक्स वाई जेड निकालना है, तब वाई डिग्री जब निकालना है मैम, 54 डिग्री प्लस 54
No.
प्लस
Okay,
मैम
you
क्यों
can
नहीं?
take it as 54 plus 54 is equals to 54 plus 54 plus y degree is equals to 180. You can solve it with the help of that method.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? If this angle is 54, this angle is also 54. This angle is you have to find 54 plus 54 plus y degree is equals to 180. This is the easiest way. Or you can take it as a parallel line. If this is a parallel line, this is a parallel line. This is a transversal. The interior angle is equals to 180 degree. Angle y plus 108 is equals to 180 degree. You can easily find the value of y. Two methods in order to find the value of y. There are two methods. You can take it as a sum of angle of triangle, or you can take it as interior angle of a triangle, interior angle of parallel line. Right? Is this clear to everyone? Okay, the next part is X, W and Y. X, W and Y. X, W and Y. That there is another diagonal which is intersecting W and Y. X, W and Y. It means that you have to find half of the angle of the W. Again, if the opposite angles are equal, if this is 72 degree, this will also be 72 degree. Again, we have to cut this diagonal. So just divide it into two parts. 72 divided by 2, which means that the half part of W is 36 degree. This is a very simple question. Is this clear to everyone? If you have any question related to this, then please raise your hands. Can I solve question number 15 as well? These are the simple questions. Yes, Ira.
मुझे फर्स्ट 3 समझ नहीं आई.
Okay, see this. Don't mute yourself. Bache, you have to find x, w, and y. X, w, and y. It means that there is an other diagonal which is intersecting w and y. Right, Ira?
Yes.
Okay, x, w, and y. In rhombus, we have a property that opposite angles are equal. Right? If we have
Yes.
already find this y degree, which is 72 degree, this whole y is equals to 72 degree, and you have to find this half w, which means if you can divide it into two parts, 72 divided by 2, then you can easily find this angle w. This is a simple way. The diagonal is bisecting into equal parts, right? If this is 72, it means that half part is 36, half part is 36, right? Okay, let's start the question number 15. Can I do this or not? Question number 15 and question number 16. Okay, let's do the question number 16. This is the simple one. Question number 16. In a kite PQRS, in a kite PQR and S, PQ is equals to RS. Again, the two sides are equal. It means that isosceles triangle. Again, PS is equals to RS. Two sides are equal. Then the base angles will be same. Isosceles triangle. Find P, R, and S. So P, R, and S. When you have to find P, R, and S, this angle, it means that this angle is x degree. If this angle is x degree, this will also be x degree. X degree plus 64 degrees equals to 180 degree. Is there any confusion related to PRS? Right. Now come towards PQR. P, Q, and R. Again, this is the base angle. If you have to find this one, this is an isosceles triangle. This angle is a base angle. It means that this R will also be 42 degree. 42 plus angle Q is equals to 180 degree. You can easily find angle Q. Is there any confusion related to question number 16? Then please raise your hands. If not, then we are going to end this lecture. Right, now we have only one question left of this exercise, which is question number 15. Inshallah, we are going to solve question number 15 tomorrow, plus we are going to start exercise 11C, right? So this is up for today's lecture. If you have any question, then you can ask me anytime. And if you found any difficulty while solving the questions, you can also ask me anytime. Till then, is there any question you can ask me? Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.